Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 14 update with Anita. So how's it going, Anita, so far?
Good. Actually, it's turning out to be a good week.
Good, that's
Yep.
good. So did you lose any weight last week?
Yeah, I did. I lost 2 pounds this week. Yeah.
Okay. I know that we had unexpected obstacle weeks ago, so that's why we decided to make an adjustment a little bit. Like you managed to change your lifestyle and make a huge progress, which is really, really good. So if we can change the final goal, what do you think the final goal should be?
Well, I don't really have a final goal in the
Yeah.
sense that this is going to be an ongoing thing.
Yeah,
This is
yes.
lifestyle change.
Yes.
But by the end of the 6 weeks, yeah, I definitely want to. I mean, it may be a slower progress, but I
Yeah.
want to lose, another 12 pounds if I can.
Another 12 pounds, right? Yeah, because right now we are not focusing on how much weight you need to lose, because you already know the science behind
Right.
it, and you've done it before. It's just a
Yeah.
matter of time, right?
Absolutely.
But sometimes like run into some unexpected issues in life, so that's why we have to make some adjustment,
Right.
right?
Because I feel like now, like I have the tools. I have
Yeah.
a repertoire of tools, and okay, I had to change what tools I used, and
That's right.
that's okay. I still have them in it, and my goal is still the same. It's just maybe
Yeah.
a little slower.
Delayed, yeah, because of the unexpected obstacles we
Yeah.
run into. Okay. But overall, 32 pounds in 14 weeks, that's not bad
Yeah.
at all. And the more important, more than how much weight you lose, is the knowledge, the science,
Yeah.
and the success in changing your lifestyle, which is
Mhm.
very challenging,
Mhm.
but you did an amazing job. It's really good. It's very good. Okay, so let's wait and see what next week, how things will go.
Sounds good.
Thanks so much.